Hello, everyone. I'm Michaela Hutchinson, and welcome to the PBCJ KCNK Little Bee spelling competition. I'm super excited. We'll have some little spellers ready to try their best. Are you ready? Let's go!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, boys and girls, and good evening to Jamaica and the wider world. Welcome to the Little Bee Spelling Competition Finals 2026, brought to you by the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston, where our tiniest spellers shine the brightest. Today, 10 brilliant little minds, just 4 and 5 years old, will take this stage and show us that big talent comes in small packages. So get ready to buzz, cheer, clap, and celebrate excellence. We now invite Beverly Thompson, the distinguished Lieutenant Governor, to lead us off in prayer.
Boys and girls, everyone else in the audience, good evening. Let us pray. Dear God, thank you for this special day. Thank you for the minds of our little ones in this competition. Please help them to do their best. Calm their little nerves that they may remember the correct spelling of the words. Thank you for our sponsors, teachers, family, friends, and Kiwanians who have been a part of this journey and cheering them on. We pray for continued peace among each and every one in our country and the world. And please, Lord, continue to bless us as we pray in your name. Amen.
Thank you, Beverly Thompson, our distinguished Lieutenant Governor. Once again, welcome to our finalists, their proud parents, teachers, sponsors, supporters, and definitely our viewers watching from home. This is the moment our little bees have been preparing for. And trust me, they came ready to spell. So let's meet the schools represented in today's finals. When you hear your school's name, little bees, parents, supporters, and all present, please give me your biggest smile, a little wave to the camera, and your loudest cheer. Ready? Bethany Early Childhood Development Center, Joshua Wishart. Chevons Basic School, Orlando Hyatt. Excelsior Primary and Infant School, Atreyu Downer. Junior World Learning and Activity Center, Vanessa Cousins. Lalise Gray Early Childhood Institution, Kiara Clark. Porter Center for Knowledge, Benjamin Wedderburn. St. Teresa Preparatory School, Drew Harris. Stratton Early Childhood Development Center, Krishane MacDonald. Sunrays Educational Center, Ciara Taylor. And the Choice Academy, Kai Lynn Bell. Let's give them one more round of applause to our 10 finalists. Beautiful. Our hive is full and buzzing. To ensure fairness, accuracy, and a smooth competition, we have an incredible panel of judges. To introduce them, please welcome our president, Veronica Taylor Smelly.
Welcome everyone once more to the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston Little Bee Finals. So some of you were with us on the launch, some of you were with us at the spell off, and now we're at the finals. So let me see. Parents, how are you feeling? That sounds good. Spellers, how are you feeling? Well, the spellers sound very exciting. So let me introduce our judges. Our head judge for today, sitting right at the front, Claudette Carter. Please wave. Right, thank you. And beside her, Linda Pennycook. And for those of you who use our Little Bee app, that's the voice of our Little Bee app. Linda. All right, beside Linda is Hortense Reynolds. Our timekeeper, Judith Stry. And our spellmaster for this evening, Kelly Magnus. Ladies and gentlemen, parents, teachers, well-wishers, and our sponsors, enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Thank you, President Veronica. We now invite Claudette Carter, Distinguished President, to share the competition rules.
Good day, everyone. These are the rules of the Little Bee competition. The competition is intended for children aged 4 and 5 years old. A speller must not have reached his or her 6th birthday on or before June 30th, 2026. Students are expected to have reached the speech and pronunciation standards for their age. Following the spell-off, an additional word list was distributed to all finalists. In the finals, these words will be used, and when they have been exhausted, unseen words will then be used. Schools will be arranged in alphabetical order, and children will sit according to the school they attend. Children will take turns to spell a word. Each child will be given 30 seconds to spell a word. He or she will have only one chance to do so. If a child does not hear the word clearly, he or she may ask for the word to be repeated or for the meaning of the word to be given. If a child fails to spell a word correctly, the next child in line will not be asked to spell the same word, but will be given a different word to spell. Children will not be eliminated in the first 2 rounds. If they do not spell their words correctly, they will just proceed to the next round. However, in round 3, eliminations will begin, and each child who spells a word incorrectly will be eliminated at that point. The decisions of the judges are final. If a member of the audience prompts a child, the school will be disqualified. The last child to have spelled his or her words correctly will be declared the winner. That means the last child, even if one child gets a word incorrectly, then the next child will be asked a word so that we can declare the winner. And the school that the overall champion attends will be declared the champion school. Those are the rules. Please pay attention to them and let us have a wonderful competition. Thank you.
Thank you, Claudette Carter. And now, the heart of our hive, the one who guides the words, the keeper of the letters, the queen of today's spelling journey, Miss Kelly Magnus. She is a writer and a development professional from Kingston, Jamaica. She is the executive director of the Caribbean Culture Fund, which supports creatives and cultural organizations. Her nonfiction work focuses on Caribbean arts and culture, including Caribbean street food, Jamaica, which was published by Macmillan in 2009. She has written more than a dozen children's books, several of which are used in Jamaica's school system. Her adult fiction has been shortlisted for the Commonwealth Short Story Prize and the BCLF Elizabeth Nunes Prize, and has been published in Ada. She is a Kimbilio Fiction Fellow. Please help me welcome our spellmaster, Kelly Magnus.
The
Little Bee Spelling Competition is the signature project of the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston. The project is aimed at improving the spelling and literacy skills of 4- and 5-year-old children in basic and preparatory schools. During the early days of the competition, more than one representative was allowed from each school. However, each school now selects one child for the competition. In the first year, there were 6 participating schools. This year, we have 28 participating schools. As a project lead for past years, this is one of my favorite projects. Seeing the parents, especially the fathers, supporting their children with such passion is a joy. Watching the teachers celebrating is a joy. This project has evolved and we are happy with our new partnerships. Of note, in 2021, due to the coronavirus pandemic, Nadia Roxborough and myself, along with Basil Amusement, developed the Little Bee Spelling app with the support of Western Union. Special thanks to Linda Pennycook and 57 Octaves for their narration support. The app is free to download from your app store and can be used without Wi-Fi. As the Lieutenant Governor for Division 23 East, the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston is my home club, which I am a member of, and I'm super happy to see the additional features this year. The Young Children Priority 1 program will always be very close to my heart, and I will continue to be a great supporter of this awesome project, empowering our young ones to be great leaders. So, to the 2026 Little Bee finalists, listen, ask for a repeat of the word, and do your best. You are all winners.
Hi guys, if you have a little one, a great way to spend time with them, bond with them, and blow their minds, grow their minds at the same time is the KCNK Little Bee Spelling app. Download it from any of your app stores. Practice with them. They learn words. They have fun. You have fun helping them to learn words. Go and download the app now.
Good day. I'm Steve Billings, CEO of Sun City 104.9 FM, and we are so excited to be sponsoring the Little Bee Spelling Competition. Over the past 4 weeks, finalists had the opportunity to be a part of our Read and Win show. Read and Win is a show for kids, hosted by kids, aired every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And the Little Bees came and they had a blast. They shared with us their journey of being a part of the competition, and they even introduced us to the Little Bee Spelling app, which we're equally excited about. Congratulations to all the students that made this year's staging of the Little Bee Spelling Competition a huge success.
Okay, little champions. Now it's time for the fun part, spelling words. Get ready to listen and do your best. Let's cheer our brave 4- and 5-year-old spellers. Here they come.
Good evening, everyone. We are going to get started with Joshua. Joshua, would you please spell gym?
Gym. G-Y-M. Gym.
Good job. Orlando. Orlando, please spell also.
A-L-S-O.
Good job, Orlando. Atreyu. Atreyu, please spell away.
A W-A-Y.
Good job. Up next, Vanessa. Vanessa, please spell cafe.
Cafe. C-A-F-E, cafe.
Good job, Vanessa. Kiara. Kiara, please spell comb.
C-O-M-B.
Good job. Up next, Benjamin. Benjamin, please spell foul.
Foul. F-O-W-L. Foul.
Good job, Benjamin. Drew. Drew, please spell from.
From. F-R-O-M. From.
Good job, Drew. Kershane. Kershane, please spell hawk.
Hawk. Hawk. H-A-W-K. Hawk.
Good job, Kershane. Syria. Syria, please spell high.
H-I-G-H.
Good
Hi.
job, Syria. And last in this round, Kaylin. Kaylin, please spell jump.
J-U-M-P. Jump.
Good job, Kaylin. And that is our first round. Second round, we go back to Joshua. Joshua, please spell just.
Just. J-U-S-T. Just.
Good job. Orlando. Orlando, please spell kind.
K-I-N-D. Kind.
Thank you, Orlando. Atreu. Atreu, please spell kite.
Kite. K-I-T-E.
Good job. Vanessa. Vanessa, please spell knee.
Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee.
Good job, Vanessa. And Kiara. Kiara, please spell no.
Which one?
Like you know things.
K-1.
Like I know your name.
K.
Go ahead.
N-O-W.
Good job. Good job. Next up, Benjamin. Benjamin, please spell lamb.
Lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb.
Good job, Benjamin. And Drew. Drew, please spell lawn.
Lawn. L-A-W-N. Lawn.
Good job, Drew. Kershane, please spell over.
O-V-E-R. Over.
Thank you, Kershane. Syria, please spell said.
Said. S-A-I-D. Said.
Good job, Syria. And Kaylin, please spell suit.
Suit. S-U-I-T. Suit.
Good job, Kaylin. That is round 2.
Wow! Our spellers are doing so well. But now, it's time for a quick break so everyone can rest and prepare for the next round. We'll be back soon, so stay tuned! Welcome back! Our little spellers are ready to keep spelling. Let's cheer for them. Woo!
Ready again, Joshua? Please spell tack.
Talk. T-A-C-K. Talk.
Orlando, please spell tire.
Tyre. Tire.
That's correct. Atreu. Please spell when.
When. WHEN.
Good job, Atreu. Vanessa. Please spell wild.
Wild. WILD.
Good
Wild.
job. And Kiara. Kiara, please spell your.
YOUR.
That's correct. Benjamin. Benjamin, please spell zero.
0. ZEIO.
Good
0.
job. Drew. Drew, please spell zinc.
Zinc. ZINC. Zinc.
Good job, Drew. Karshane, please spell about.
About. ABOUT. About.
Correct. Syria. Syria, please spell again.
AGAIN.
That's
Again.
correct. And Kaylin, please spell ahead.
Ahead. A H E A D.
That's
Ahead.
correct. Joshua, please spell ankle.
Ankle. ANKLE.
That's correct.
Ankle.
Orlando, please spell apron.
APRON.
Correct. Atreu, please spell bacon.
Bacon. BACON. Bacon.
That's correct. Vanessa, your word is basic.
Basic. BASIC.
That's
Basic.
correct. Kiara, your word is basin.
BASCIN.
No, that's not correct. It's BASIN. Benjamin, your word is blood.
Blood. BLOOD. Blood.
That is correct. Drew, your word is bonus.
Bonus. BONUS. Bonus.
That's correct, Drew. Karshane, your word is brown.
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 The color brown.
The color brown.
BROWN. Brown.
That's correct. Syria, please spell camel.
Camel. CAMEL.
That's
Camel.
correct, Syria. And Kaylin, please spell catch.
Catch. CATCH. Cat.
That is correct, Kaylin.
Okay, everyone, it's time for a BREAK. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Lance from Edifocal. We're proud to partner with the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston to sponsor this year's Little Bee spelling competition because we believe great learners start early. Every word these young spellers learn is a building block for a lifetime of confidence and curiosity. That's the same belief that drives Edifocal Academy, Jamaica's #1 online learning platform, helping thousands of students excel at every grade level. To every finalist here today, you've already done something extraordinary, just getting to this stage. Trust your preparation, have fun out there, and know that your families, your schools, and all of us at Edifocal are cheering you on. All the best.
Being part of the Kiwanis Little Bee Spelling Competition 2026 means investing in more than words. It's invested in the future of our young generation. At OGM Integrated Communications, we believe that confidence, education, and opportunity shape tomorrow's leaders. This initiative gives young minds a platform to grow, express themselves, and unlock their full potential. I encourage every organization and individual to support this movement because when we pour into our youth today, we build a stronger, smarter, and more empowered tomorrow.
My name is Blossom Wright, manager of Wright's Bakery. We are proud to be supporting the Portmore community for over 40 years. We are proud sponsors of Little Bee Spelling Competition. This is our second year. We are so happy to see the little ones growing, and we would love to see them achieve.
Answers for Children. Everything they need, all in one place. Answers for Children remains a dedicated supporter of the annual Kiwanis Club of New Kingston Little Bee Spelling Competition. Over the years, the company has watched the competition blossom into a staple event, remaining dedicated to fostering the educational growth of participating children. We are so proud of all the finalists and wish for you an exciting and engaging competition. Answers for Children wants you to continue to be amazing.
WELCOME. I'm a great speller, aren't I? Our spellers are also great. Are you ready? They are. Let's go, everyone. And remember, everyone is a winner.
We start round 5 with Joshua. Joshua, please spell chalk.
Chalk. CHALK. Chalk.
Orlando. Orlando, please spell could.
COULD.
That's correct, Orlando. Atreu. Atreu, please spell eagle.
Eagle. EAGLE.
Yes, that's correct. Vanessa. Vanessa, please spell 8.
8. EIGHT.
That's correct. Benjamin. Benjamin, please spell equal.
Equal. EQUAL.
Good job,
Equal.
Benjamin. Drew. Drew, please spell every.
Every. EVERY.
Thank
Every.
you, Drew. Karshane. Please spell graph.
Graph. GRAPH. Graph.
Good job, Karshane. Syria. Please spell knife.
Knife. KNIFE.
Thank you, Syria. And Kaylin. Please spell knock.
Knock. KNO.
You want to start again? Knock.
KNOCK.
That's right, Kaylin. Back to Joshua. Joshua, please spell money.
Money. MONEY. Money.
That's correct. Orlando. Your word is mouth.
MOUTH.
Thank you, Orlando. Atreu. Please spell night.
Night. KNIGHT. is T.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. Thank you. Vanessa. Vanessa, please spell quiet.
Quiet. Quiet. Quiet.
That's correct. Benjamin. Please spell raise.
Raise. R-A-I-S-E. Raise.
Correct, Benjamin. Drew. Please spell shout.
Shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout.
That's correct. Karshane. Please spell thief.
Thief. T-H-I-E-S.
That's
Thief.
correct. Syria. Please spell thorn.
Thorn. T-H-O-R-N.
That's
Thorn.
correct. Syria. Kaylin. Kaylin, please spell where.
Where?
Yes, she did not answer in the time allotted, in the 30 seconds, so the time was up. Okay? The spellmaster is not expected to explain the meaning of the word. The child can ask if the child is unsure. But even if she had said W-E-A-R, we would have taken it. But she did not answer at all, and therefore she's eliminated.
We are back to Joshua. Joshua, please spell canary.
Canary. C-A-N-E-R-Y. Canary.
Oh, I'm sorry, Joshua. It's C-A-N-A-R-Y, but thank you very much for trying. Up next, Orlando. Orlando, please spell color.
C-O-L-O-U-R.
That's correct. Atreu. Atreu, please spell convoy.
Convoy. C-O-N-V-O-Y.
That's correct. Vanessa. Vanessa, your word is engine.
Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine.
That's correct. Benjamin, please spell juggle.
Juggle. J-U-G-G-L-E. Juggle.
Drew. Drew, please spell kennel.
Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel.
That's correct, Drew. Karshane. Please spell middle.
Middle, like in the middle.
In the middle, yes.
M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle.
That's correct. Syria. Please spell mirror.
Mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R.
That's
Mirror.
correct, Syria. And Orlando. Orlando, please spell mitten.
M-I-T-T-E-N.
That is
Mitten.
correct, Orlando. Atreu, your word is monkey.
Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Correct. Vanessa, please spell needle.
Needle. Needle. Needle.
That is correct. Benjamin, your word is pebble.
Pebble. Pebble.
That's correct. Drew, please spell please.
Please. Please.
That is correct. Karshane, please spell rattle.
Rattle. Rattle. Rattle.
That's correct. And Syria, please spell saliva.
Saliva. Slive. Saliva.
Is that right? So we go back to Orlando. Orlando, please spell shorts.
Shorts.
That's correct, Orlando. Atreu, your word is string.
String. String.
Yes, that's correct. Vanessa, please spell turkey.
Turkey. Turkey. Turkey.
That's correct, Vanessa. Benjamin, your word is turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
Correct, Benjamin. Drew, please spell violin.
Violin. Violin. Violin.
That's correct. Karshane, please spell giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
That's correct. Syria, please spell kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
That is correct.
Don't go away. The PBCJ KCNK Little Bee Spelling Competition will be back soon.
My name is King Simpson. I attend Glow Preparatory School. I am the 2025 Little Bee Spelling Champion. I enjoyed my time in the competition, and I still love spelling. I encourage all the finalists to keep spelling. Have a great Little Bee Finals.
My name is Raquel Reed, mother of King Simpson, the 2025 Little Bee Spelling Champion. It was a fun experience for King and myself and his brother Kyron in getting ready for the competition. The competition itself helped him to boost his confidence and is expressing himself more. We downloaded the Little Bee app and we practiced from that. It was good. It was an on-the-go thing. We practiced in the car, at home, any chance we got, we practiced with King. And it was fun. We made it fun. And it shows in the results because he won. I'll encourage parents to download the app and use it with their children.
Hi, everybody. My name is Karen Simpson. I attend Glow Preparatory School, and I'm going to tell every one of you that King has done very well in the spelling competition. And I'm also going to tell you to download the Spelling Bee app so everyone can win the competition as well. But hold your horse flies because King has won the competition for like 3 or 2 times. And also, I'm in grade 3, so download the app right now to let your child practice the words. And yeah.
Previously, we did not give words for the finals. we just went straight to unseen words. This is not all about rote. You know, if you miss a word in the list, the child is upset or something. This is not what this is about, okay? So we are going to the unseen words. Okay?
Welcome back. Our little spellers are doing awesome. Let's cheer for them. They're doing great.
Everybody ready? Yeah, we are going to start with Orlando. Orlando, please spell angry.
Angry. A-N-G.
Speak up louder for me. Just take a deep breath. And spell it as loud as you can. Angry.
Time.
Time. Oh, sorry, Orlando. Angry is A-N-G-R-Y. Everybody give Orlando a round of applause. We are going to go to Atreyu. You ready, Atreyu? Ready? Take a breath. Please spell April. Loud for me. April.
A-P-R-I-L.
That's correct. Atreyu. Good job. Vanessa, please spell chew.
Chew. C-H-O-U, chew.
No, I'm sorry, Vanessa. It's C-H-E-W, chew. But thank you for trying. Benjamin, please spell climb.
Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb.
That's right, Benjamin. Good job. Drew, please spell cloud.
Cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud.
Good job, Drew. Karshane, please spell diary.
Diary. D-I-A-R-Y. Diary.
Karshane. All right, Atreyu, please spell empty.
E-M-T-R.
No, I'm sorry, Atreyu. It's E-M-P-T-Y, but thank you for trying so hard. We have Drew. Drew, please spell group.
Group. G-R-O-U-P.
Good job, Drew. Benjamin, please spell guess.
Guest.
Guess.
Yes. D-U. E-S. Guess.
Just so close. Just G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Thank you, Benjamin, for trying. Karshane, Karshane, please spell laugh.
Laugh. L-A-U-G-H.
That is correct, Karshane. Syria. Syria, please spell magic.
M-A-G-I-C.
That is correct,
Magic.
Syria. That brings us back to Drew. Drew, please spell ocean.
Ocean. O-C. A-O-N. Ocean.
I'm sorry. O-C-E-A-N. Good job, Drew. Good try. Okay, now we're down to 2. Karshane, please spell tough.
T-O-U-G-H.
Good job, Karshane. Syria, please spell twist.
Twist. T-W-I-S-T.
That is
Twist.
correct, Syria. Karshane, please spell uncle.
U-N-C-L-E. Uncle.
Very good, Karshane. Syria, up again. Please spell voice.
Voice. V-O-I-C-E.
Good
Voice.
job, Syria. Karshane, please spell world.
W-O-R-L-D. World.
Correct. Syria, please spell worse.
W-E-R-S-T.
That's a good try, Syria, but I'm sorry, it's W-O-R-S-E. So we're gonna go to Karshane. You have to spell this one right. And your word is wrong.
W-R-O-N-G. Wrong.
That is correct. So congratulations to Karshane McDonald, Stratton Early Childhood Development Center. You are today's champion. Congratulations. Woo, good job.
Great job, everyone. The final word has been given. What an amazing effort from all our spellers. Now, let's celebrate our winners and hand out some special awards. Give a big round of applause.
Parents, teachers, sponsors, get your cameras ready. We now invite President Veronica Taylor Smelly to hand out these awards. We now invite Judith Montague, the district administrator, to hand to our top 10 finalists bags, courtesy of Answers for Children. The bags complimentary of Answers for Children all have stationery and supplies for the children. Let's give them a round of applause for their hard work, and thanks to Answers for Children. We now invite Audrey Brown, the LG for Division 23 East, to distribute the trophies. We now invite Lance Campbell from Edifocal Limited to distribute to the 10 finalists a website courtesy of Edufocal Limited. We now invite Calicia Robinson from Grace Kennedy Western Union to distribute the tablets to our 7 finalists. Let's give them a big round of applause. Let me hear you chant, little bee, little bee, little bee, little bee. And to our third place winner and our champion boy, keep the applauses rolling, Drew Harris from St. Teresa Preparatory School is in receipt of the following: a book donated by Lamar Archer, and it is being presented by Tamika Shevans from Sun City 104.9 FM. A shirt presented by Linda Pennycook, Distinguished Secretary from the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston. A cash prize from the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston, that will be presented by our President, Veronica Taylor Smelly, and a trophy from Grace Kennedy Money Services, Western Union. Let's give him a big round of applause. And he's also in receipt of a tablet courtesy of Grace Kennedy Money Services, Western Union. To our second place winner. Let me hear the applause going, man. Let's get it going. Syria Taylor. And she will be receiving a book courtesy of Lamar Archer. And this will be presented by Tamika Shevans of Sun City 104.9. A cash prize courtesy of the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston. Let's keep the applause going. Let's keep the applause going. She has worked hard for this. A gift certificate courtesy of First Global. A tablet and a trophy courtesy of Grace Kennedy Money Services, Western Union. We've done second place. We've done champion boy, and now we are doing the champion girl. And now we're doing the first place winner. First place winner is none other than Krishna McDonald. And she attends what school?
Stratton.
Never?
One Stratton.
Never two. Congratulations. Let us keep the applause going for Miss Krishna McDonald. Krishna is in receipt of the following: Jabari and the Shady Shortcut, a book by Lamar Archer, presented by Tamika Shevans of Sun City 104.9 FM. Cash prize from the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston, which will be presented by President Veronica Taylor Smelly. She's also in receipt of a gift certificate from the Hope Zoo. Wow. And a gift certificate from the VM Group. Let's keep the applause going as the gifts come in. She has worked hard for it. Going. She's also in receipt of a tablet and a trophy courtesy of Grace Kennedy Money Services, Western Union. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take your last look at our champion girl and our first place winner, Krishna McDonald. And the champion school, Stratton Early Childhood Development Center, let's applaud them, is in receipt of a printer, courtesy of Lyndon G. Wellesley and Associates, and presenting this token is Lyndon G. Wellesley himself.
Good evening, everyone. It is my privilege to say thanks to all who have made this year's staging of the Little Bee spelling competition possible. All our little bees who spent months preparing for the competition and have so bravely come forward and shown us that continued investment in education and literacy will yield great results. Thank you. Our teachers and parents who have taken the time to work with our little bees, your significant contributions do not go unnoticed. May you continue to positively pour knowledge into our young people. Thank you. To our sponsors, Western Union, PBCJ, Answers for Children, LG Wellesley and Associates, OGM Integrated, Sun City 104.9 FM, Edufocal Limited, Wright's Bakery, and Fruit Blossoms, thank you for answering the call and stepping up to support this effort. We have a small token for you which you have received to commemorate our partnership this year. These tokens were lovingly made by the Monex department at the Sir John Golden Rehabilitation Center. To the planning team, DLG Beverly Thompson, DS Linda Pennycook, DS Sonia Liebert, President Veronica Taylor Spelly, Secretary Camille Wellesley, who is also our MC, Kiwani and Michelle Park, Co-Chair Chelsea Cohen-Martin, DS Martha Stewart, DP Claudette Carter, and LG Audrey Brown for taking every single one of my phone calls, no matter what time of the morning or night. A really, really huge thank you. It was not a big team, it was a small team, but it was a small team that worked. And I am really appreciative of every single effort that went into making Little Bee happen this year. See you guys next year.
That's it for the first PBCJ KCNK Little Bee Spelling Competition. Thanks for joining us. And remember, everyone did their best. Keep practicing your words and spelling every day. I'm Michaela Hutchinson, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone. Keep spelling and have fun.